A cut above, vibrant color and a durable construction makes this cutting board from GreenLife an eye-catching addition to any kitchen. Set includes medium cutting board, 8 inches by 12 inches, and large cutting board, 10 inches by 14 inches. Cook healthy. GreenLife accessories are specially designed to help you free your healthy chef. Super durable, chip and crack resistant, food-grade plastic. Dishwasher safe. Vibrant color and a durable construction makes this cutting board from GreenLife an eye-catching addition to any kitchen. Super durable, this set is chip and crack resistant as well as dishwasher safe to take the worry out of cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Time to toss the old and order new. I can't believe how long I've been hanging on to my old plastic cutting boards. They were getting gross and hard to clean because of the knife marks, so I ordered these to replace the old. Wow, these clean up quickly, are thick enough not to wobble, and cheap enough that I don't have to feel guilty when it's time to replace them. Cutting boards are a bacterial breeding ground if they aren't cleaned properly and changed out regularly. These will get cut, slice marks on them as all plastic boards do, and then it's time to replace them. I think for the price, these are a win-win for those that prefer plastic cutting boards.